Yep, good one.
Big one? Net?
No. Oh, saw my worm start swimming off. All right, finally a fish. There she is. Nice little boat dock fish. I guess that's the pattern today. We're gonna have to just start hitting docks.
Okay.
There he is. Hand him off to Yukon.
Sure.
Probably, I don't know, 2.5 pounder or so.
3 pounder.
All right, here we go. See that shady spot along that break wall?
Yeah.
That's what I want to fish.
I'm gonna be in the back now.
You want to switch?
Yeah.
All right, after this casting. Start working the corners of the boat docks. There it is. Oh my God, you got off. Oh my God, what a good bite. But I tell you, shady break wall. Any cast you make could be a 10-pounder. Keep telling yourself that.
Any cast you make can be a huge flathead catfish that's 25 pounds. Yeah, it's weird because my watch says it's 8:46 and it's not.
Oh, hold on. Here we go. Yep. Get the boat. Man, he's about the same size. Good fish. Oh man, you gotta keep working them, Connor. They're here, man. That's a good one too, man.
Look at that jump.
Man, you gotta love a big worm, big 10-inch worm in summertime. Because the bass sure do. Look at that fish. All right. Sack him up. Good fish. Boat ducks. Good job.
It's big.
All right. That's what I'm talking
Ooh,
about.
net. It's a big
Got
one.
it.
Spider.
Got it.
It's like a light. Ooh, heck yeah. Ooh.
Good job, man.
Good size.
Good job. All right, get your fish. Show the camera. All right, good job, Con. On the front of the boat, too.
No!
There you go.
Darn it.
Quick release. That's all right. Hey, it happens. Thumbs up for the camera. There we go.
Big one? Net?
He's little.
Come on, net.
Get up here. He's little. Watch your rod. Can you reel it?
Spider.
Ready? Let me flip him. All right. Now you got another one. I tell you what, dude. Watch out for the camera. I tell you what. Ladders. Boat docks with ladders today. That's been the key. Little metal galvanized looking ladders, and these bass are setting up right next to them.
They're huge.
Drop this little wacky worm right there. That's a good fish. You want to drop him in with his buddies?
Like in the water or in the live
In the live well. Let's hold on to him.
Sick.
Fish number
4.
4?
Yeah,
I
4.
think. Yeah. All right, here we go.
First bass. Can't see it that well. First bass. Yeah, that's it. Pretty good size.
Ain't gonna hurt that bass.
2 bass.
All right, there's the first 2. All right, Connor, go ahead and release those 2, and I'll give you one more.
This is one of them. This is the second one. 2 bass.
Good fish.
It's 1 bass. All right, last look. Release him. Okay, he's gone.
All right, I think this is the biggest one.
Last bass. Biggest one.
Yeah, that's the one with the nice stripes.
Yeah.
That's a good looking fish, bud.
It's the bass. I'm gonna release him.
All right, Connor.
Yeah.
Good job, man. Thumbs up for the
Thumbs
camera.
up. Oh my gosh.
Fish
they're
on.
big.
Little one. Oh my gosh, look at this tiny fish. Who's bigger, my Senko or this bass?
Oh my gosh, I need to hold him.
Here. Tiny. All right, well, he's a fish. He's a fish.
Look how big that fish is.